Hi, it's a pleasure to me sharing these words about this topic. Today, we gather to explore the profound impact of artificial intelligence tools in the hiring process and examine the challenge and opportunities they present. As Roland Barthes totally suggests, imagery, text, and image draw from and produce collective myths, transforming social, cultural, ideological, and historical constructs into what appears to be natural. As we delve into this topic, we must approach it through the lens of a posthuman ethic perspective, a framework that should consider fairness, equity, and respect for all candidates. Considering a posthuman perspective is trying to avoid static and finalized concepts such as is proposed by Rossi Braidotti and Francesca Ferrando. One of the critical challenges we encounter when using AI tools in hiring is the potential perpetuation and amplification of biases. These biases can emerge from various factors, including gender, race, and socioeconomic status. For example, biased language in job postings can inadvertently discourage applications from traditionally marginalized groups, including women and racial minorities. However, it is important to note that even manual screening can be influenced by implicit biases. According to Eric Sabayo, an AI has no conscious mind, but nonetheless, contemporary AI models produce decisions trained from datasets, which are produced and assembled by humans. At the end, those datasets exemplify our collective myths and unstated assumptions. Nevertheless, AI tools hold a immense potential to revolutionize the hiring process. By automating routine tasks, improving efficiency, and reducing human intervention, HR people should focus their efforts on more meaningful aspects for candidate evaluation. Right now, the mistrust often associated with AI systems stems from a lack of understanding about its inner workings. People feel disempowered when decision culture is taken out of their hands, perceiving algorithm decision as impersonal and reductionist. In the realm of recruitment, AI's primary current application lies in the sorting of all the summary of a person, the life summary of a person. Critics always saw that AI system may erroneously exclude candidates who do not neatly fit into predefined categories. One contemporary author who opposed the categorization and classification of humans from a posthuman perspective is Donna Haraway. Haraway's work challenges traditional notion of human identity and promotes a vision of a posthuman world where boundaries between humans and technology are blurred. In her inflation work, Simians, Cyborgs, and Women, the Reinvention of Nature, Haraway argues against fixed categories and embraces the idea of fluidity and hybridity in defining human beings. She advocates for embracing multiple perspectives and rejecting essentialist distinctions such as gender, race, and other categorical divisions in order to promote inclusivity and diversity in our understanding of humanity. Embracing a posthuman perspective compels to question what's the representation of AI tools in hiring? How are these tools implemented and utilized actually? What ethical considerations must guide their development? To mitigate these risks, fostering algorithm literacy becomes crucial. Empowering users with statistical training, for instance, enables them to interpret algorithm recommendations confidently. While AI can help us reduce bias in decision making, it is essential to acknowledge that AI is not entirely free from bias. AI in talent management could produce outcomes that violate organizational ethical codes and values. For example, sourcing algorithms targeting specific demographics, like an 85% female audience, Or maybe targeting another position with a specific work, such as taxi driver. Those should exemplify the presence of bias in AI. So let's imagine a future where AI tools serve as catalysts for diversity, inclusivity, and fairness in hiring. This future is within our grasp, but it necessitates careful examination and ethical decision making. This short tag should put at the table just the concept of non-human agency and posthuman ethics. By understanding these frameworks, HR can navigate the complex intersection and AI in the hiring process. So, as we immerse ourselves in the rich discussion of this conference, let us recognize the power and responsibility we hold. It's our duty to ensure that AI tools are widely ethically preserving the integrity of the hiring process. Through the integration of a posthuman ethic perspective, we can harness the transformative potential of AI tools while actively combating discrimination and bias. Together, we can forge a future while hiring decisions are taken by ethically data-driven insights.